Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach you maths. Which topic? Simple interest. Okay. In maths, we are going to see the topic simple interest. Okay. What is this simple interest? Interest. Okay. Interest means you are paying some additional amount on the amount which you borrowed. Example I will give you. Suppose I want 100 rupees. Okay. I tell my friend, please give me 100 rupees. Now the friend has given 100 rupees and I tell him that no, this money I will return you after 1 year. Okay. Now I don't have rupees. I will return you after 1 year. Then the friend says what? Then what you will do? Instead of 100 rupees, you have to give me some additional money also. So that additional money, it is called as interest. Means I have borrowed 100 rupees from him and plus I am paying some additional money. Okay. Now let me put it in numbers. Suppose I borrowed 100 rupees. Okay. How much I have borrowed from my friend? 100 rupees. So this I will call it as P. P means principal amount. Okay. Principal. Now, when I want to return to my friend after 1 year, after how many years? 1 year. So, the time, okay, that is 1. You can call it as time or you can call it as period, okay, that is number of period, okay, time or number of period, okay. So, they give short form as T or you can put the short form as N also. Whichever is comfortable or whichever in your school your teacher teaches, that you can use either N or T. Principal time. Now when I return that money to my friend, what he told? He wants some extra money. So in extra money, how I will calculate? Suppose he says that you give me 10% interest. How much? 10% what? Rate of interest. He is charging a 10% rate of interest. Okay. RATE, rate of interest. Now you got it. I borrowed 100 rupees. That amount is called as principal. Then how much time period I asked for him from him to return the money? 1 year. So that is time. Okay, number of period. Next, what is the rate of interest? 10%. Okay, now how to calculate the amount which I have to return to my friend? That is amount. Okay, amount I will show you how to calculate. A stands for amount. Understood now this? The terms, first is principal, time or period, rate of interest and then amount. Fine. Now we will see the calculation. A stands for amount. Okay. P stands for principal. N stands for number of years or months, whatever the question suggests. PNR. R stands for rate of interest. These are the terms. Okay. I am repeating. Instead of N, in some textbook they are writing T. T means term. Okay. T means what? Term. So whichever is there in your textbook, that you follow. A, P, R, N, R. And one more term is SI. SI what? Simple interest. Very good. You are so attentive. Okay. SI stands for simple interest. Understood the terms? Thorough with the terms? Now we will see the calculation. Now what was the question which I told? How much amount I borrowed? amount I borrowed, that will go to principal. How much I borrowed? 100 rupees. Okay. Now, how many years I told? After how many years I will return? After 1 year. What is the rate of interest he told? He will charge from me 10% per annum. Okay. Or you can write P.C.P.A percent per annum. Okay. Now we have to calculate the simple interest on that, and on that basis we will calculate the amount to be returned. Fine. So what is the formula of simple interest? Formula of simple interest is PNR upon 100, or you can write as PTR upon 100. Fine. This is the formula. So how I will calculate the simple interest? What is P? 100. What is N? 1. What is R? 10. Okay. Upon 100. Got it? Now I have here the values and substituting it. Got it? Now 1 0 1 0 cancel, another 0 cancel. So how much is remaining? 1 into 10 10. So how much is the simple interest on 100 rupees? 10 rupees. Fine. Now we have to see the amount. How much amount I have to pay him? Amount will be equal to principal plus simple interest. What is amount? Amount is principal P plus simple interest. Fine. What is amount which I borrowed from? The money. Instead of saying amount, I will tell you the money, because otherwise you will confuse this amount with this principal. The money which I borrowed initially from a person is called the principal. Always read the question properly. The money which we borrow from anyone, from bank or institute or from anyone, that is called principal. And the money which we repay them with interest, it is known as amount. So amount will include interest. Okay. Amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. Here principal amount is 100. Simple interest is 10. That is comes to 110. Got it? How much money I have to return to my friend? 110 rupees. So students, what I taught you about principal. Principal is the amount which I borrow from someone, and then number of periods is the rate, is the number of time the money is kept with me, and rate of interest is the rate of interest on the principal amount which we have borrowed. Okay, and then we calculate the simple interest. The formula is PNR upon 100, and according to that we calculated the simple interest, and there it doesn't stop. Okay, we have to calculate the amount also, how much we have to repay. That is principal plus simple interest, which comes to 110 rupees. Got it this? Thorough? Any doubt? I will quickly prepare some Google Forms and then give you that also. Solve it. If you have any doubt, I will give you my phone number in the description form box. You can message me. Fine? Till then, what you will do? Take care. Bye.